I just want to introduce you to an app that I just heard about from Chris from Faces and Aces podcast. It's an app that you can install on your phone. It's still in the early stages of it, but I just started using it here in Vegas, and it's actually really pretty cool. Let me pull it up first. Let me show you. It's called BETMINGO.
Hey, check it. Put the place up. Put my face up. Why you doing all that? Thought you was my wife, but you slapped me in the back.
So it looks like this. So you can check them out on Twitter, BETMINGO. Basically what you do is you use it to find what type of game that you're looking for. So you start with the minimum bet. So I want to look for $5 blackjack, for example. So I choose $5. Click next. Click on blackjack. Click on find my game. I mean, it's going to give you a list of places near you that have all those requirements, which is actually really cool. So for example, let's just go to Four Queens. Okay, so we're at the Four Queens, and it's telling me light crowd 2 days ago somebody submitted this info. So it's kind of like user generated. People can input their own kind of intel about these games on here. So it tells you number of decks, 8 decks, odds 6 to 5, hit on 17, double allowed after split, surrender. So this is all good info. If you find something new to add to the game, just click on that, input user data, and he's got some choices here that you can add to the game just to give it a little bit more intel for other people to use. I'm imagining later on there'll be more choices to select from here, which would be cool. Deck penetration, maybe, and just other thing, number of decks, virtual versus actual real people. So here's, for example, the Baccarat. We'll go back to this real quick. Hold on. Cancel. So if we go backwards, edit game, and we switch to Baccarat, find my game. What you'll notice is, like, here at the Palms, it's the minimum bet for Stadium Baccarat is $5. Oh, right here. Stadium Baccarat is $5. But they don't actually have $5 Baccarat choice at the Palms on BETMINGO right now at this moment. And so there doesn't seem to be a place to, like, I can't add it myself and say that there's Stadium Baccarat here, which would be cool, I guess, in the future. So again, it's still early stages, but it's so easy to use. You know, to edit the game, you just pick the choices: craps, roulette, Pai Gow, Texas Hold'em, 3-card poker. So you just pick the game that you're looking for, pick the denomination that you're looking for, and again, it'll tell you everything you need to know. This was cool. Aliante Casino. 16 days ago, 2 decks, odds 3 to 2, hit on 17, double allowed after split.
I made 20 bucks. And you?
So I made 70 bucks. So a bunch of stuff like that, you know, all the different games that are available. So if you get a chance, install, try BETMINGO. It seems like a really, really cool app. Again, it's early on, and I think it's only going to get better, but it's super useful for me right now. I'm actually using it. I'm going to go across the street to Gold Coast and play some blackjack over there. So I give it a thumbs up and totally support it because it's really, really cool.